Hello automotive enthusiasts. One of the crucial periodic maintenance tasks for automotive vehicles is the steering alignment procedure, particularly relevant in the Brazilian context. Why? Well, in Brazil, road conditions don't always resemble the high-quality asphalt surfaces found in other countries. On the contrary, it's common to encounter roads riddled with potholes and asphalt imperfections. Therefore, manufacturers, in general, recommend steering alignment to be performed every 10,000 kilometers. However, if you've driven your vehicle through sections with potholes, road irregularities, or dirt roads, the likelihood of misalignment is considerable. In such cases, it's advisable to have the vehicle undergo the alignment service even before reaching the scheduled 10,000 kilometers. Sometimes, the steering wheel itself may provide indications of misalignment, such as pulling to one side, which signals the need for an alignment correction. A common question that arises when visiting a specialized workshop is about the need for balancing along with the alignment. At that moment, it's natural for vehicle owners to be uncertain. So, is it really necessary to perform balancing? Not always. It's important to understand that while balancing is not directly related to steering alignment, the exception occurs when you notice any vibration in the steering wheel, which may indicate that the wheels are out of balance. Otherwise, if there's no sensation of vibration, performing only the alignment, making the payment, and confidently moving forward is sufficient. If this content has been informative and you wish to receive notifications about future videos, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Additionally, remember that you can also follow my profile on Instagram, in addition to YouTube. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.